What's up, guys? Welcome back to another WR Wiffle video. In today's video, we got the fourth scrimmage of the year. The teams are going to be me, Lyle, Ashlyn, Avery, and Tyler versus the rest of them. Let's get into the ball flip.
I got, yeah.
Who's
calling it?
I'll call
I
it.
call it.
Sorry,
Alright.
Yellow.
Black.
Black.
Alright, we got home.
You're the home
Yeah, we're
team.
home.
Oh,
And we hit.
Alright guys, I'll play first.
Alright,
Let's get into
me
it.
and Ash will play out here. Here, you have.
Two's on the count. Here's the pitch.
Oh, good hit! Oh,
Alright,
good hit though.
out.
Good hit! Oh,
Alright,
good hit though.
out.
Good catch. They're playing the cha-cha. Oh, good hit! Run! Let's go, Matthew! Good stop.
Got run into second. Full count. Yeah, it didn't hit the pole though. It went this way.
If it hits the ground,
Oh, he strikes him out!
Shots. Who's up?
full count pitch to Lyle. Take it
Nice.
inside. Bring it. 2-1. Here comes the pitch.
2-1, same thing.
Swing and a great hit! And that will
Nice.
fall for a single.
Good stop by Cy, but and that is safe everywhere.
The 3-1. Pitch, and it's ball four. Kicks him again for the walk. That brings up me.
Again. And it hits her. 4-0 ball game. Charles, Uncle Cha-Cha, say less.
Don't worry.
Ash put this in the video just for you guys to know to not get confused. For these exhibition games, we're going to start just making up names. So we're going to be the Eastern Elephants. They're going to be the Western Wombats. So don't get confused. That's just why we're calling those names. And not the Arabian Bombers. Yeah, that's not.
No, 3. Run, Ash! Safe everywhere.
Charles, lob it.
That's mercy.
Pitch.
Home run.
That's a
Here
dinner.
comes the 3-0 pitch. Barrel. Silas. Swung on. Hit well. That gets down.
If it goes under.
Ground roll double for Silas on a good hit. Here comes the 2-1.
Wait, he has a broken arm?
Hit on the ground. Play at first. Got him. 1 run scores.
He's out.
7-1 Elephants from tie.
No,
Hit way back and lands just in front. Matt's going to and no play.
That was fair.
A double.
Ash, that
It's Takia.
I'm showing them what I think.
Swing, ground ball, play at first. Oh, he got him! Oh, he dropped it.
It dropped.
Bro, you literally ran him over. That was out.
He's okay.
He's in the baseline. He has to get. Either he's.
Time!
Bro, what?
All right, Kyle, you up?
Let's go.
That's 2 out.
One to Lyle. Takes the ball low. The 3-1. Ball four.
Charles, how many batters did you pitch? Okay.
Gets a hold of it. Oh, misses. That's a good hit.
Hard hit, straight down the middle. No play can be made. That's a poison ivy bat now.
Back to walk. Brings it up run. The score is now 9-4. 10-4, my bad.
Ashlyn up to bat. No outs, bases loaded. 10-4 ball game. Swinging a drive to the fence. That's going to be a double for Ashlyn, making the score 12-4. Runners at second and third. What a hit for
Ash,
11.
good hit.
My God, I keep getting walked.
Not out. Go back. Nice hit, Ace. Fair, that's fair. No, guys, remember the whole. That's gonna be. No one catches it. Run and one out scores, but one. Great pitch, and that's gonna be caught for 3 outs. All right, I'll play first.
Oh my! Good day! Yeah! Almost a great play by Ash. Yo, and that ball is bounced before it hits the strike zone.
Do you want a pinch run?
Pitch from Ash. Takes it low, and that brings in a run, making it 13-5. A 8-run ball game,
Bombers are getting crushed right now.
if my math is correct. Here comes Silas with the bases loaded.
We need a bomb
Big
for the
opportunity, as it's a 13-5 game. Here comes the pitch. Swing and a
Actually, stop.
swing, a ball on the ground, play at first, and he's safe. Here comes the pitch. Ball swung on the ground. He's gonna be out. Another run scores, 13-7. Red light. Oh! What a catch! And that ends the inning. Yep. Game yet. Oh my gosh, for the 5th time today.
That's happened in every at bat for Lau. He beamed in the back.
And the leg. Wild pitch from side. Here comes the pitch. And that's ball 4 on 3 pitches. Here comes the pitch. Swing and a shot!
Yeah! Woo! Let's go, Ash.
Ash, good hit.
Who's up?
Another great
Levi, me.
double for Ash. Another great double.
Has Ash always been second?
Nice hit.
That's a new.
Single.
Let's go.
All right,
Come on, Bert. 14 to something.
Levi,
I
what
think.
score? 15
Oh, 15.
or 14.
14-8. 14-8.
8.
You guys are if we score 2 more runs, we win.
Well, we're playing the game.
Oh, I didn't even realize that size pitching.
How about we play last inning, no mercy?
No. No, we
Yeah.
just stop if we mercy here.
Oh, no way.
Double play.
Levi.
Yeah.
If we mercy and
Good hit, Joe! Holy crap, what a snag by Levi. Good hit, Joe! I don't even think he looked at that.
Put it out twice. I've only gotten to hit 4 times.
I've gotten to hit 3 and I've not made it over.
Strikeout.
Levi.
Yeah, because it's grown.
No hitting.
He went
I don't think I did, but
1.
And ball 4
We're good.
brings up Lyle.
For you.
This is unhittable. Another one, Lyle wastes on it.
Zach. Zach. He dropped it. He dropped it.
Trying to trying to open a pickle jar.
I got 1 hit.
And that hits her.
Ash didn't swing it.
3-0 to Levi. All right, Levi, swing.
He's gonna swing.
It's 3-0.
Swing no matter what.
No, it's like way over his head. He jumps up. It's on.
He's gonna swing because he wants it.
3-1 to Levi.
I don't even want to post this game.
Yeah, this game's terrible.
Because there hasn't been
Swung and
any home runs, barely any hits.
The whole game is literally one.
Yeah,
this game has been a really boring game. Except for like a few people. There's been like 2 hits.
Well, Ash will just take it out.
Oh my!
Yeah, hit the
Yeah,
top
it just hit right
Hit
here.
the top of the zone. Strike 3.
I will take that for a TikTok. And a whole lot bad. Just
Ty, don't get out because I want to bat.
What's up, Shawty?
Stop.
Oh,
that one is ripped! God! Go, Bear!
When
Home
it
run!
doesn't even matter.
Yeah.
Dude, I want Ace in.
You know when
Play, and
you know
she
when
is
we're
out.
gonna play any real games?
yeah. Well, no, but
Well, Brown's still constant, so.
could Elliot got
2
that?
out.
Wasn't he?
That was the third
No, it was like a
week
week
ago that he got quarantined.
Oh, that's
His
right.
mom posted
Was that
on
3
it.
outs?
He said he could come today, but he was quarantined.
All right.
That's the game.
Thank you guys so much for watching the Eastern Elephants win 14.
No, 17.
17
No,
to something.
They defeated the
17 to
Arabian
8.
Bombers.
17-8. If you guys enjoyed, please like and sub and stay tuned for the next games.
Wasn't good.